Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you something like this. So this is one of few items which I received from Rain-X, so thank you very much. Everything comes on the big bucket. This is the Rain-X Cerami-X Exterior Detailer. That will be works great even up to 4 months, they say. Okay, let's find out. Let me do my job and I will tell you everything in the details in the next couple minutes.
Okay, let's start the fun. At first, I made a mistake. I sprayed the whole door at once. Unfortunately, this product dries quickly, making it difficult to polish the dried parts. It's best to divide the door or any large part of your car into 3 sections: top, middle and the bottom, or into even 4, and work one at a time. This will make the job much easier. What we have to do: first, spray the surface. Then use the first microfiber cloth to spread the product, using right to left motion. And then another microfiber cloth to polish it. And just take a look. This is what it looks like when it's dried too quickly. Yes, it is not an easy job, especially the first time. After the door, it's time for another part. Here we should use up and down motions. What is interesting, the door caused me a lot of problems. I had to do the job couple times, but this part of the car was the easiest part. Time for a boot door and the rear bumper. That was easy and pleasant. I'm improved with each element. Just take a look at the result. Another side part and another door. The door was a bit difficult again, just because of the sun. Yes, the sun peeking out from behind the clouds hit the door surface. After the doors, time for the wheel arches. I had a bit of trouble in the upper part due to the heat buildup this part element. What's interesting, the hood was one of the easier part, and here is the final result.
guys, I'm finished. I'm finished the job with this liquid, and to be honest with you, it's not easy. It's not easy. If you've got experience, you like this kind of stuff, you like the job around the car, yes, you can do it. If you don't have any experience, the first time it will be very hard, like for me. Okay, you can do it, you can manage, but the best option for you will be if you've got your garage. Inside the garage will be much better than outside, like I'm here on the driveway. If you've got more experience, so probably you will tell me, oh, what I did wrong. And to be honest with you, I'm waiting for this comment, because sometimes the people who has more experience can just add some tips what to do to make the job much easier, and that will be very helpful, not only for me, but for the others. So also, if you want to do it by yourself and you never did that before, so you need to wash very properly your car, then add this, apply the milk, the liquid, and all of that will take you around, let's say, 3 hours. So make sure you've got the 3 hours, because some of the part I did twice or even 3 times the same part of the car, because that was not easy. Anyway, what I find out, the door was much more difficult part to do it. The small panel, the long panel, was much easier. The front bonnet was no problem at all. Bumper, no problem at all. The rear door with the bumper, no problem at all. But only the doors. The doors was for me a nightmare. But anyway, I knew now the next time will be much easier. So they say something like that will protect your car up to 4 months. So we will see. So anyway, so as usual, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much to Rain-X for this product. Also, I've got lots of different one. And now I'm gonna do my alloys, then the tires, but that will be only on the shorts on the YouTube and Instagram, because it's not difficult like this one, hopefully. Anyway, as usual, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourself and your followers, and see you next time.